Congratulations on receiving your brand new OrCam MyEye device. Let's get to know the device better. To start, please open the box. On one side of the box, you'll notice the device itself and a pair of complementary glasses. On the other side, you'll find the quick user guide. Underneath the user guide, you'll find several objects: the charger, case, lanyard, and cleaning cloth. These are used to carry, charge, and care for your device. You will also find a pair of scissors and a magnetic mount with zip locks to mount on any other pair of glasses. Once the mount is secured on your glasses, just snap the MyEye onto your glasses.